FBI Director Patel was in Des Moines today discussing partnerships with the state of Iowa and Attorney General Brenna Byrd. He and Byrd both spoke with over 100 state and local law enforcement on how the FBI can help agencies all across Iowa. Iowa State Capitol Bureau reporter Isabella Warren is live for us in Des Moines tonight, and she spoke with the Attorney General after the event. So, Isabella, what could this partnership look like?
Yeah, well, the meeting was closed to the public and press, but Attorney General Byrd says Director Patel discussed several issues the FBI is working on with local law enforcement across the country, including international fraud and scams and human trafficking. Now, Byrd tells me that the FBI is looking to expand its training opportunities for Iowa officers to both investigate and stop trafficking and fraud.
The FBI has opened up a number of training opportunities for officers, other ways that folks can be detailed out to the office for a few months so that the FBI can learn from local law enforcement what the needs are and build a partnership there. They also have a national academy that many of our law enforcement leaders have graduated from.
Now, the FBI already partners with Iowa law enforcement on cases that cross state lines. Byrd says those partnerships have helped dismantle drug trafficking and human trafficking operations. She says today's meeting focused on finding even more ways for federal, state, and local agencies to work together.
Working with our federal partners, but I think this meeting today showed us all some ways that we can continue to grow, train, and find more ways to work together.
Now, Patel did not speak with reporters, but after the event on social media, he called Iowa, quote, ground zero for our work with partners, end quote. He also called Iowa the most successful run of crime reduction in U.S. history. In Des Moines, I'm Isabella Warren.
Isabella, thank you.